Welcome to this Get Grounded meditation. You can do this in any comfortable position. You can be seated or you can be lying down, whatever feels right for you in this moment. So now that you're in a comfortable position, there's an invitation now to close your eyes or lower your gaze, whatever feels right and comfortable for you. And now focusing on the breath as it flows in and out. And there's an invitation now to begin to turn inwards and begin to notice how we feel, our sensations as the breath moves through our body. And we're not changing the breath in any way at this point. We're breathing in a comfortable cycle. So noticing the tip of the nose now and pausing here for a moment and noticing the breath as it begins to flow in. And that gentle exhale, but we're going to rest our attention on the inhale for the next few moments. And the point before you inhale that breath. And as you breathe in through your nostrils, you may notice a sense of space as that air just begins to flow in. And the sensation that you can feel if you could describe it as a shape, is it a straight line? Is it an arrow shape? Or a triangle? How do you imagine that breath as it's flowing in through your nostrils? And now as the breath flows in through the nostrils and into the throat, feeling that air as it begins to move into your throat. If you've been talking a lot during the day, you may feel this sensation as a tightness perhaps in the throat, or some other kind of sensation. And observing the journey now of the breath as it begins to just flow in through the nostrils and into the throat. And now with this next breath, we're going to bring our awareness as it travels to the base of the neck. As the air flows in through the nostrils, down through the throat and to the base of the neck. And pause here to observe any sensations that you feel in the neck, in the throat area. Maybe a vibration, a tenseness, or an openness. And with this next cycle of breath now, we're going to track this as it moves into the chest space. So beginning now with the air just before it flows into the nostrils, finding that moment. The air flows in through the nostrils, down through the throat, to the base of the neck and into the chest. And perhaps you visualize this journey of the breath as a mist. Maybe there's a colour to it. And you're seeing it in your mind's eye now as it flows in to your body. Now as the breath journeys in through the nostrils, down through your throat, to the base of your neck, inviting it to move into the chest area to fill those lungs. And there's an invitation for these next cycles of breath, maybe 4 or 5, to deepen the breath, extending the breath. Noticing the movements around your body as the breath flows in with the expansion, and then it flows out with the contraction. And this invitation now to receive these breaths with a softened belly, as if you're breathing from your navel now, pulling that air in. And if the mind begins to wander, as minds often do, then kindly and without judgment, bring your focus back to your breath as it flows in and out. Now gently shifting our attention now to the out breath, tracking the journey of the breath, maybe as that mist of colour as it begins to move out of your body. So feeling that in-breath in the belly area and gently, slowly exhaling. And there's an invitation for this next cycle of breath to exhale through the nose. Feeling the breath as it moves through the belly and into the chest. Maybe you notice sensations in the chest as you exhale to this point. And then with this next exhalation, as the air moves from the belly into the chest, and you feel the first sensations of it moving into the neck space. Maybe there's a gentle vibration in this area. There's an invitation to gently rest your hand at the base of your neck, feeling that air as it moves through. And now continuing to track this journey of the breath as it exhales, moving from the belly into the chest, up into the neck, and out through the nostrils. Maybe you feel the warmth of that breath on your lip. The air around you feels a little bit warmer as this breath exhales. And this breath, now as it flows in and out, this gentle, nourishing breath. The in-breath giving you space. The out-breath releasing anything that no longer needs to be there. The in-breath bringing you space, and the out-breath, that release, a sense of letting go. And there is a kindness and a compassion in this gentle breathing. Noticing air flowing in and air flowing out. And now as we begin to move towards the end of the practice, there's an invitation to bring your awareness to your whole self, sat or lay here in this moment, in this room, and noticing a sense of calm and peace that you've brought to all parts of you in this moment, in these moments, by focusing on the breath and allowing your body, your mind to rest. And if your eyes are closed, then gently tilt your head forward And gradually let the light of the room back in and allow yourself to settle back into the space once again. Thank you.